my cherry cola. She gon' keep me sober. Let me keep you closer.
Good morning, everyone. So it is Saturday, the 3rd of November, and today Emma and Hannah are coming to visit me, so that's why I'm vlogging. I'm currently in my dressing gown. I have to be quiet because it's quite early. It's like 7:30 and I don't know who's asleep and who's awake. But yeah, I'm just changing my bedding. So I thought I'd show you that. So I have made my bed, my camera's charged, I've had a shower, I'm dressed now, I'm not in my pyjamas anymore. But yeah, this is what my bed looks like. Excuse that mess, I'm trying to make my bag. And my desk is also quite messy, I'm trying to organise that. Just watching Zoe's vlog, and yeah, this is my outfit. I'm gonna dry my hair because it's wet. I'm expecting Emma and Hannah to arrive, so I don't really want to have wet hair when we go out. So I'm going to meet Emma and Hannah in town, so I'm about to go get the bus. Yeah, I'm just getting my coat on and whatnot, and yeah, then I'll go. I'm so excited to see them. I miss them so much. So I am off to catch the bus. Yeah, this is such a weird angle. So I am back in the flat. I believe I'm the only one in the flat at the moment, but as you just saw, we went to a firework display. I was with Emma and Hannah, and it was really fun. So next week is enhancement week, and I think I might vlog it or I might make a video on it, but we'll see. Basically it's like kind of like half term, I guess, and we get to study and stuff and catch up and everything, and I was thinking of vlogging it separately to this vlog, but I didn't vlog that much today, so I might just end up just putting it all into one video.